Hi all, welcome back to my channel. So today we will be doing a barbecue, my whole family. Um, so uh, it's a long weekend here. It's a Labor Day weekend. So we have decided with the kids and with my in-laws that we will be doing a barbecue. Something probably now it's gonna be fall weather starting soon, so maybe we gonna enjoy our last barbecue for the summer. Fall's almost on its way and soon it's gonna be cold, so we decided we will do a last barbecue. uh, If you like my videos, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. That's with my name, Shumaila Patankar. And don't forget to hit the bell icon. So anytime I upload a new video, you will get the notification. I hope you guys like my video, and thank you. And yeah, let's go ahead and let me show you how we enjoy our day. Okay, thank you. Okay, here we are. We have reached our park, and this is a restroom. If anyone has to use the restroom, they are very nice and clean. Yeah, not bad. And these are some bench if you want to bring your own breakfast. If you want to bring your own snacks in the evening, you can sit here and eat. This is our car parking, like a parking area, and also to refill your water, a bathroom, and if you want to refill your water cups, your water bottle. And it's a nice park, sweet and simple park. Yeah, this is the small kids area, the a little older kids. We have a water fountain here if the kids want to play in the water. I also brought a change of clothes, so if they want to change, if they get wet in the water, so I do have a change of clothes for them. Okay, and here I am, and uh, the cabana bag. I will, when I go closer, I will show you as well. This is a big field. Oh, I have to turn the camera. Hold on. Okay. Hold on. I'll be right there. Okay, 1 minute. And this is a big field. Not a field, like a grass. Like if you bring your own mat from home, like a beach mat, and put your own mat, lay down, relax, small kids can play. And I guess that field is the, if you can see, hold it, let me zoom in. That one is you see the basketball, it's the basketball court. Probably the older kids or people can play basketball. Yeah, and there is also a tennis court here. Okay, so let me show you all my these are some plates, cups, spoons. This is some rice, some mango juice for us and for kids. And you see, this is the caban, an ice bag where we have our soft drinks or water, Coke, Pepsi. See, water in ice. So ice bag. This is already an ice bag. Okay. And these are some um, things for the barbecue: the brush and the spatula, the tongue, my kids' water cup, some more extra water, dressing for the salad. This is my kids love it, hummus with the meat. Roasted garlic is our favorite, my family's. Plain or roasted garlic, but not spicy. Okay, some more cups for if anybody don't want to finish the whole can of soda or juice, can take in cups. Some naan with the chicken. Anybody wants some naan? We also have some rice that I just showed you. Some oil, meat, hummus. Somebody wants hummus, pita bread basically. Some pita chips with the hummus. Okay, and these are my kids' chips. Okay, some corn. We're gonna grill the corn as well. Corn and two I have boiled them. Two corn I have they're boiled for my kids. If they won't probably finish full. If they are really hungry, they might as well. Yeah, this is some. I got some chaat masala in this for the meat and the corn. Not chaat masala, sorry, the salt and masala powder, red chili powder for the corn, an apple, a pear, and see, we got some. Oh, this was in the bag, but basically these are the cans in this. This, let me just keep it here as well. Yeah. Okay. Okay. These are some chocolates we got as a dessert. Again, my brother got this from UK. Some grapes, if the kids want after lunch. And see, some chaat masala. Here, some chaat masala. Some butter, straws. Because sometimes with this table, the kids have the cups move and then they spill. So I got their own own cups. These are some muffins. It's their choice. They want muffin, grapes, and this is salad with the meat. Let me show you. There you go. If anybody would like the salad, and here, this is the rice in this container. Okay. Now, let me show you guys the meat part. Okay. Okay, so this is our grill. We have our own grill. These are community grills. You see, these are from the city. They are already built in the park, but this is our own my own grill. Okay, we put some charcoal, and my husband lit up the grill. Okay, let me show you the meat part. This is the chicken, and this is the red thing is the chicken, and this is the down part is the meat, the mutton. Okay, and we have more chicken here. Yeah, this is more chicken. some water, and these are some skewers. Yes, and yeah. Oh, okay. You see the grill. These grills are from the city, but however, this is my own. We always have this handy anytime. If for a long weekend anything we decide to do a barbecue, we use our own grill. Plus it also helps because the other grill, sometimes the other people eat meat, probably not halal, and eat meat and pork, and so yeah. So just to be sure on the safe side, we use our own grill. It's nice, it comes handy. So sometimes these grills are, sometimes people more in the summer, these grills are they get full, people occupy them, so it's good to have your own. You don't have to wait for their own built-in grills. Okay, thank you. Okay, and this is also meat, the same meat, the same mutton. Oh
No, this is Bihari.
this is no, this is a meat. This is like a Bihari kebab, we say. Very nice and delicious tender meat. And this is our chicken. Okay. Okay. So this is I have prepared the table. These are some leftover birthday plates from my son's birthday. The salad, empty tray because I think the chicken is done. And yeah, basically I set the table this way. So here we have all our, because right now nobody, the park is not that busy, so we can have 2 tables, but generally it's one family for each table. So these were all our luggage here, the bags. So I used another table and set up another table, so when the meat is ready we can eat our lunch. And this is again a shopping car, my shopping car actually. This is the bag where I have my kids change of clothes, just in case if they get wet in the water fountain that I showed before. So I got some change of clothes, some water shoes, and extra towel in that. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Yeah, and the meat is getting grilled very nicely. And this is the chicken actually, and this is our meat, and we have some more chicken. Yeah, nice and delicious. Okay, good job, eat salad. This is my plate, this is my son's plate with the hummus, our juice, hummus, and we are ready to eat. Bismillah. There you go. Hummus. This is, oh wow, look. So delicious. Thank you, Daddy. Uh-huh. Okay. So here we are. Let me take a bite and show you all. Nice and delicious. Nice and delicious. Alhamdulillah. Okay guys, so I think some mango juice, hold on. It's still it's very hot, so the mango juice with the ice is delicious. So I think so pretty much this was our little barbecue outdoor party, outdoor time. something before we get in the school and the kids school and my school and everybody gets busy. So just a small fun for the kids, and I hope you like this video. If there is anything else, I will try to record it if we go to some other park, but if not, then please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel, which is my name, Shumaila Patankar, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you will get the notification when I upload any new video. Till then, you guys take care and see you in the next video. Alright, enjoy. Bye.